Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and today we're going to be unboxing something totally random and something new. We're going to be unboxing a succulent box. So stay tuned, let's see what's in this box. Alright, hey guys, so yeah, we're going to be unboxing a succulent box. Now, this box was actually given to me by the company. So thank you guys for Succulent Box for sharing this box with me so I can review it. I love succulents. It's really the only plant that I cannot kill. If you look at my background, I actually have a bamboo on the top right hand side of me. This, like, it's because it's in water. That's why it's still around. So I am excited to see what is in this box. So give me 1 second. Let me see what is in the box. And I thought I heard something behind me. So we are going to dive deep in here and see what is in the box. So give me a second. All right, so okay, let us see. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in it. So you have a whole bunch of, it's packaged very well actually. So it has all these popcorn, mailing popcorn poppers in there. So my kids will probably like mess with that stuff. But let us see what is in here. So let's see what this says. In the company's name, this is actually a monthly subscription box. So it's called Succulents Box. And it comes with different succulent types that come in the box. So we'll figure out what kind we have here. And it says in the description, it says there's actually 4. And I'll put their link below for if you guys love succulents like me. I'll put their link in my description. And there'll be a coupon code that you guys can get. I believe it's 15% off, but I'll put the details in there, what coupon code you guys need in order to get that discount. So let's take a look and check this baby out, because I don't know about you guys, but I am like super excited because I'll probably put these plants up there. I love succulents. And I gotta say, let me just share real quick. The packaging on these, you see they're all wrapped in bubble wrap. That's awesome because I don't know, I was curious as to how they were gonna mail plants out, so that is really good. So let me dive deep in here and see what we have here. So give me a second. I am just trying to be very careful, but I know we're recording, so I'm trying to be fast and careful. It's so packaged, so sturdy that I cannot open this up, but give me a second. There we go. So the very first plant we have here, oh, this is very pretty and very cute. There you go. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, that is cute. And I don't know which one this is. I'll put the descriptions once this must be Haworthia facea, a zebra plant. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting a zebra. I have a snake plant and I've been wanting a zebra plant forever. So that is one item. Imagine getting these on a monthly basis. How unique is, I love different companies that are so unique that I would have never thought there would be a succulent subscription, but there's a subscription probably for everything if you guys really dive deep. And I am super appreciative that they shared this box with me just so I can share with you guys. So thank you again to Succulent Boxes. And the next one here, similar, it looks like another one. I'm not too sure. This one looks longer though, if you look at that. So if I'm wrong, because I'm just shooting out the fly with these descriptions, I'm just looking at the photos. I think this is another zebra plant from what it looks like. Actually, sorry, this one looks like a zebra plant because it's right here. And then this one actually looks more so like the African pearl. See? That's what that looks like. Okay, so those are there. Let's see what the other two are, because there's 4 in here. So that's really unique. I'm like super shocked right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I have 2. Looks like I have 2 left. So it should be the last 2 cards, so I don't have to guess. This is crazy. I can't believe it. This one is String of Pearls. I've never even heard of that as a succulent plant, string of pearls. So this is what it'll grow up to be when it becomes an adult. And then the last one should be Echeveria. That's what the last one should be. So this one's Echeveria. So let us see what Echeveria looks like. Last, and I'm just trying not to cut into the plant so that you guys can see it. Because this one looks like normally the succulents that I have. Yep, there it goes, and there it goes. That's what this one looks like, and this is Echeveria. I mean, seriously, this is so unique. I cannot believe that there's a succulent. I know I said that before, but this is very unique. I mean, I would totally dive into the subscription. Again, I'll put their descriptions, their information below so you guys can dive in, and I'll put a special coupon code that they gave me so that I can share with you guys. So what did you guys think? Have you heard of this company? Because I know I haven't. It's called Succulents Box, and I just want to say thank you guys at Succulent Box for sharing this box so I can share with you guys. I think this was an awesome box. This is a great subscription. It's so unique. They packaged everything so well, as you can see with all those plants. All of them were in one piece. They were seriously bubble wrapped, seriously in serious business. So they did a phenomenal job. So thank you guys. Which plant did you guys like best? Do you have any of these plants in your home? Would you guys want to get into like a subscription like this? You guys have a big garden. I know I love succulents. I cannot wait to spread this throughout my house. So let me know what you guys thought. And with that being said, you guys have an amazing, awesome day, and we'll see you on the next video.